Hi guys, what's happening? We're coming to a clearing. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Wow. That's incredible. I don't think the camera does it justice. Definitely gonna stop, get out the drone. You can kind of see how beautiful this panoramic is. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Oh my, look at this campsite. Today was wild. It's Sunday, September 26th. I got a real late start. Only got on the trail about 4 this afternoon, kind of racing through. Wasn't even sure where I was going to stay tonight. I had no plans. I did see this place on the map, but I didn't think I could make it. I've made it just before sunset, so literally just grabbed the bags. They're just taken off the bike. I'm going to walk you through this campsite. I'm on Lake Conasauga, I believe it is. Highest lake in Georgia. All right, let's go check it out. Whew, it is beautiful. Literally just took the stuff off the bike. Sitting on a picnic table. See these 2 trees over here? I'm gonna hang my hammock between them. I'm gonna sleep here tonight with that lake view. Whew. Wow, look at that. All right, let's go down there. Let's go check it out. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. You guys are coming down to the water's edge with me for my first time. It's my first time coming down here. Oh wow, look at that. Oh man, so peaceful. Whew. I gotta make it snappy and get this camp set up. It's gonna be dark real soon, but I just wanted to capture this before the sun went down. Wow. It's like a mirror. Absolute buffet for my eyes. Beautiful, so peaceful. All right, let's get this camp set up.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Alright, how's it everybody? Little explanation of what's going on. I'm busy doing this ride called the Smoky Mountain 500. It's a big 500-mile loop. Most of it goes through the national forests, through the North Georgia mountains, the forests in the North Georgia mountains, some into the Smokies. It gets up about as far north as Tellico Plains, I believe. But anyway, the way this map was designed when they created it, it was broken up into 3 sections. So you know, some sections 200 miles, some a little bit less, whatever, but right about 500 miles. Anyway, work last night, got home late, got up late, and decided to just shoot up to the mountains and just do as much as I could on this first leg. And I had no idea where I was sleeping tonight. I was just like, I'm just gonna ride as far as I can till about maybe 30 minutes before the sun sets, and hopefully by that time I've stumbled across somewhere to sleep, somewhere to camp. And lucky for me, I found this place, Lake Conasauga. So I think that's how you say it. I believe it's the highest lake in Georgia. It's absolutely stunning. I think I've shown you some footage already of when I pulled into camp. Really looking forward to waking up in the morning and hopefully catching the sunrise over it. It's stunning. Everything around here is stunning. So it's going to be a beautiful place to eat breakfast, and then we'll pack up, keep riding, keep exploring, and see how much of this we can do. I'm not expecting to finishing the whole thing on this trip, so I'm just going to break it up into segments. Anyway, I've eaten already. Things are packed away. In a moment's time, I'm going to hit the hammock, hit the hay, and cheers. See you tomorrow. See you in the morning.
So safe, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game. So safe.
Oh, pretty wild story to tell this morning. Actually, I can't believe it. I'm not quite sure what to make of it. Anyway, it's about 6:30. It's still pitch black. I actually set my alarm to wake up at 6:30, and I looked out. It's still pitch black. And as I was deciding to doze off, I heard something get knocked over on this table, and I was like, "Oh shit!" I quickly opened up my hammock and I, put a flashlight out there. And I see my motocross boot laying on the floor. So I was like, shit, what the hell is coming into my camp and it's messing with my stuff or taking my motocross boot? So I get up and literally something has stolen my other motocross boot. It was still pitch black. I did a brief look around as much as I could in the dark. Couldn't see anything. It's light now. I'm gonna make some breakfast, and then hopefully whatever animal, hopefully it's just an animal that took my boot. Why an animal would take my boot, I have no idea. You can see I put a bag over the top to kind of stop bugs from going in at night. But smelly motocross boot, so I don't know why something would steal my boot. So I'm gonna try and broaden my search. I've done a little bit of a search of this area, still can't find it. But yeah, otherwise I'm gonna be riding in one boot and one flip-flop, which isn't good. So whatever stole my boot, if I can't find this boot, is kind of maybe cut my trip short. Anyway, gonna make up some breakfast and hopefully find this boot. This is crazy. Never would have thought it. In other news, mountain lake, cup of coffee. The scenery is so beautiful. Wow. All right, this cup of coffee. Have to do a search party. Gotta find the other boot. Oh man, who would have ever thought an animal would want to take my boot? Wild. They don't call it adventure riding for nothing. Lesson learned, lesson learned. Do not leave your boots out. All right, let's set the scene. So here's my hammock under my tarp. Heard the noise. raise the tarp, look out, I see my one boot laying over there in this direction. So I'll get up and I come retrieve it. But now it's pitch black at night, or pitch black in the morning, sun still hasn't risen. Boot was originally with the other one sitting over there. So I'm thinking they were going that direction, whatever animal took this. So let's start this search and see if maybe I got sick of carrying my boot and dropped it. All right, here we go. So I've looked around as much as I can. I've been walking a bunch of the trails. I went through the entire camp area. Didn't find anything. Only thing I found is this big poop. Now, I'm no poop expert, but I'm guessing it's a bear poop. So maybe Mr. Smoky the bear ate my boot and left me this giant turd. As you can see, that's my camp right down there, and here's this giant poop. So, all right, Mr. Smoky the bear, you've got one orange boot, I've got the other orange boot, so I guess we're pals. The sucky part is now I'm gonna have to ride with one boot and one flip-flop. Fun times, but at least this scenery is beautiful, even though I am minus a boot.